Hello, smart kids!
My name is Julia, and I want to talk about staying safe. It might sound big, but it's actually simple.
Think of it like learning the rules to a new game. When you know the rules, you can play and have fun. We are going to learn how to be the boss of our own safety. It's powerful and brave to be in charge of you. It's about knowing what to do in different situations, like stopping at a red light and looking both ways before crossing. Being safe means you can go on adventures and play with friends. You have a special set of tools in your brain to help you handle things. Now let's meet our safety crew. Imagine two super cool friends, Leo the lion and Mia the monkey. Leo has a big, brave roar. Mia is super quick and a great problem solver. They love to play at the park, they go to school, they visit the library. Before they go anywhere, they always remember their safety rules. The rules aren't to scare you. They are like a superhero cape you wear all the time. This invisible cape helps you make smart choices and stay protected. Throughout our chat, Leo and Mia are our guides. They will help us if we ever feel unsure or uncomfortable. Being safe is a team effort. Your team includes parents, teachers, and other grown-ups who care about you. First things first, let's talk about a word you might have heard before: stranger. What exactly is a stranger? It sounds like a character from a spooky story, but it's actually a very simple idea. A stranger is just anyone that you and your family don't know. That's it. It could be someone you see at the grocery store, a person walking their dog in the park, someone standing near your school. They might look nice, funny, or just ordinary. They could be old, young, a man, a woman. If you don't know them, they are a stranger. It's not about how someone looks or what they are wearing. Now, this is a super important part. Not all strangers are bad or dangerous. Most are regular people going about their day. The person who bags your groceries is a stranger, but helps you. The mail carrier who brings your mail is a stranger with an important job. We don't need to be scared of every stranger. That would make it hard to go anywhere. The trick is not fear. It's being careful. Think of it like this. You know your family and best friends well. You know their names. You know what they like. You trust them. These people are in your safe circle. Strangers are outside that circle. Because you don't know them, you don't know what they might do. That's why we have special safety rules. It's not that they're mean, we just don't have enough information. Better safe than sorry. Being cautious is smart, not scared. Like a hot stove. You stay away just in case. But never go anywhere with a stranger. Never take anything from a stranger. Never tell a stranger personal info like your name or where you live. All right, safety crew, it's time to learn our 3 most important rules for dealing with strangers. These are your main tools for staying safe. They are easy to remember. Stay away.
Say no. No!
Get help. Let's call them the safety trio. First up is stay away. Keep a safe distance from strangers you don't know. Imagine you have a big, invisible bubble around you. If a stranger in a car pulls over to ask you for directions, don't get close to the car. Stay where you are. Grown-ups should ask grown-ups for help. The second rule is say no. Your voice is one of your greatest superpowers. If a stranger asks you to do something that makes you feel weird or scared, you have the right to say no. Say it loud and clear.
Your mom sent me to pick you up. Come with me. If you don't know them, shout no and run away.
You don't have to be polite if you feel unsafe. It's okay to be loud and make a scene. A loud no shows you're not an easy target. The third rule is get help. After stay away and say no, get to a safe place and tell a trusted adult immediately. Run to a place you know is safe. Back into your school, into a store with lots of people, to a friend's house. Once safe, tell a grown-up what happened. Tell them everything, even if the stranger said keep it a secret. Bad secrets make you feel yucky or scared. Never keep them. Telling a trusted adult helps keep everyone safe. So let's review our safety trio. Stay away, say no, get help, practice them. These rules work as a team. We've talked about getting help from a trusted adult, but who are these people? Let's make a list of your grown-up helpers. The most important people on your list are your parents, grown-ups you live with, like your grandparents or guardians. These are the people who love you the most and are your #1 safety team. You can and should tell them anything that makes you feel worried or uncomfortable. They will always listen and will always be on your side. Even if you think you did something wrong, or if a stranger told you not to tell, your parents need to know. Your school is another place filled with grown-up helpers. Your teachers are there to help you learn, but they are also there to keep you safe. The school principal, the school nurse, the librarian are all trusted adults who are part of your safety network. They are trained to help kids with all sorts of problems. If you're ever at school and feel scared or unsure about something, find one of these people right away. Police officers and firefighters are excellent examples of community helpers you can trust. You can recognize them by their special uniforms. If you are lost or a stranger is bothering you, running to a police officer is a very smart choice. Another great tip is to look for a mom with children. Moms are often very good at helping kids who are in trouble. You can also go into a public place like a library, a doctor's office, or a busy store and ask an employee for help. The best way to be prepared is to talk with your parents about who your specific grown-up helpers are. You can even make a list together. Your parents might also have a secret code word. If a stranger ever says they are there to pick you up, you can ask them for the code word. This is a fantastic tool to have in your safety toolkit. Knowing who you can turn to makes you feel powerful and prepared. Let's see how our friend Leo the lion used the safety rules in real life. One sunny afternoon, Leo was at the park with his dad. His dad was sitting on a bench reading a book while Leo was practicing his kicks with his favorite soccer ball. He kicked the ball a little too hard and it rolled away, stopping near the sidewalk where a man Leo didn't know was walking his dog.
Hey there, little guy. That's a nice soccer ball. I have a whole bag of brand new toys just like that in my car across the street. Do you want to come and pick one out?
Leo remembered his safety rules. The man was a stranger, someone Leo and his dad didn't know. This set off a little alarm bell in Leo's head. He knew this was a moment to use his safety smarts. He didn't want to be rude, but he knew being safe was more important than being polite to a stranger. He took a small step back, creating a little more space between him and the man. He was already practicing the first rule: stay away. Then, Leo used his powerful voice. He didn't have to think about it for very long. He looked at the man and said in a loud and clear voice. He didn't scream or cry, he just said it firmly, so the man knew he meant it. He was being the boss of his own body and his own safety. After he said no, he didn't wait to see what the man would say next. He immediately turned around, grabbed his soccer ball, and started the third step. Leo ran. He didn't just walk. He ran as fast as his lion legs could carry him, straight back to his dad.
Dad! Dad! That man over there asked me to go to his car to get a toy.
But the man was already walking away quickly. He hugged Leo tightly and said,
You stayed away. You said no. You came and told me right away. I'm so proud of you for being so smart and brave.
You have done an amazing job learning all about stranger safety today. We've met the safety crew, figured out what a stranger is, learned the 3 super safety rules, and know how to spot our grown-up helpers. You are the boss of you. Your body belongs to you. No one can touch you or make you do something that makes you feel bad, sad, or uncomfortable. This is true for strangers and for people you may know. You always have the right to say no to a touch or a secret. Remember the uh-oh feeling, that little tummy flutter? It's your built-in safety alarm. Listen to it. Your body often knows before your brain does. If you get that feeling, get away. Go tell a grown-up helper. Never worry about getting someone in trouble. Your safety comes first. Trust your gut, your personal superhero sidekick. Being safe isn't being scared. It's being strong, confident, and brave. Firefighters practice for fires. Pilots practice for emergencies. You're now a safety expert, ready and prepared. This gives you freedom to explore and have fun. It's like a map and compass on an adventure. Go be the amazing smart kid you are. Play with your friends. Learn new things at school. Enjoy your adventures. Keep the safety crew rules in mind. Stay away, say no, get help. Always listen to your uh-oh feeling. Tell a trusted adult if something makes you feel weird. You are strong, you are smart, and you are the boss of you. Your safety is your superpower. You've got this.